Hey everyone, and welcome back to HandiWorks. Today, we're stitching up a simple yet stunning neckline embroidery that's perfect for adding a touch of handmade charm to your clothes. I'm using a dark brown cotton fabric for this project, but you can choose any color you like. I've also got my pink and light green embroidery floss ready to go. The first step is to draw two parallel U-shaped lines on your fabric. I'm using a heat erasable pen, so the lines will disappear once we're done stitching. You can adjust the size and curve of the U to fit your neckline. It's a beautiful flower vine design that's surprisingly easy to create. See how those pink stitches create the base for our flower vine? Grab your light green thread and start weaving it in and out of the pink stitches. As you weave, you'll see the flower vine start to take shape. It's like magic. Keep going until you've filled in the entire U shape. And there you have it, a beautiful flower vine embroidery that's perfect for any neckline. This design is so versatile. You can use it on dresses, t-shirts, blouses, or even bags. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember, embroidery is all about having fun and expressing your creativity. So don't be afraid to experiment with different colors, stitches, and designs. Thanks for watching and happy stitching.